On today's hot topic, we're going to answer the question, what is asthma? Asthma is a condition that affects the lungs and makes it very difficult to breathe, especially during an asthma attack. Whenever we inhale, we get air flowing through our trachea, down our main bronchi, then going into the bronchioles to reach the alveoli. Each of the alveoli is wrapped around by lots of blood vessels. This allows the oxygen from the air to enter our blood, and then the wasteful carbon dioxide from our blood to go back into our lungs to be exhaled. In a normal situation, as we inhale, our bronchioles get nice and big, and they slightly get a little smaller as we exhale. Now, during an asthma attack, these bronchioles are very constricted. They are very closed up. So when we inhale, it's much harder for air to get in, but it's even harder as we exhale to get that air out. That air could actually get trapped in our lungs. Because of that, asthma is considered an obstructive lung disease. Now, what's really important to note is that asthma is reversible. With administration of a bronchodilator, these bronchioles can be opened right back up again, and the person might be able to breathe just as they did before. Now, when we're listening to the chest of someone that has asthma, we're going to hear what are called wheezes. At first, you're going to hear these wheezes during exhalation, because that's going to be the most affected part of this bronchoconstriction. As the asthma progressively gets worse and the bronchioles constrict so much that you can't even get air into the lungs, you're going to hear these wheezes during inhalation and exhalation. So let us know what you think. Did we answer your questions about asthma? Let us know down in the comments.